In 2025, are you ready for what could be a game changer in the economy? You've heard the headlines. The US economy's been on a roller coaster. Stock market volatility, rising inflation, and uncertainty, especially with the ongoing debates in Washington. Just look at the latest news. The Federal Reserve has signaled more interest rate hikes, and we're staring down the possibility of a recession. But what does that mean for your retirement savings? This is why people like Barbara from Phoenix, Arizona, and John from Orlando, Florida, are making the move to gold IRAs. Barbara, 65, worked in healthcare for over 30 years. When she looked at her 401k, she saw a significant chunk invested in stocks that were suddenly very volatile. She didn't panic, but with everything happening in the market, Barbara knew she needed to find a safe, reliable way to protect her nest egg for the long term. She rolled over $500,000 into a gold IRA, something she's never looked back on. John, 68, a retired engineer, found himself wondering if the savings he'd worked hard for throughout his life would truly hold their value in the face of rising inflation. His portfolio, worth over $700,000, was tied up in stocks that didn't seem to keep pace with the cost of living. Like Barbara, he decided to move part of his retirement into gold. Fast forward 6 months, and John says he feels more secure, knowing his wealth is protected from inflation and market swings. Gold has been a time-tested hedge against economic instability, and it's only becoming more critical as the global economy faces unpredictable shifts. And in 2025, we're going to see more shifts, especially as inflation continues to challenge us and central banks work to control interest rates. But why gold? Because when the stock market is unpredictable, gold doesn't follow the same patterns. It holds its value, and in times of crisis, it can even grow. Remember, during the 2008 financial crisis, gold prices soared as everything else crashed. Now, in 2025, we're facing inflation rates that are higher than what we've seen in decades. Many experts predict that gold could hit new heights, as it's seen as a safe haven asset in times of uncertainty. So, how does this affect you? If you're like most retirees, you've spent decades building up your IRA or 401k. You've worked hard for your savings, and you deserve to protect it. But, with the economic climate being what it is, many people are wondering if it's enough. You've seen how quickly things can change, and you don't want your nest egg to disappear when the market takes another dip. That's where a gold IRA comes in. By adding gold to your retirement portfolio, you're protecting yourself from inflation and market volatility. You're locking in your wealth with a precious metal that has stood the test of time. You're making sure that when the economy faces uncertainty, your retirement is safe. But you might be thinking, how do I get started with a gold IRA? Is it difficult? Am I getting the right guidance? Well, the good news is that you don't have to figure this out on your own. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just one-on-one educational calls that help you understand if a gold IRA is right for you. We're offering a free gold IRA guide with no obligation consultation, so you can explore your options and see how gold can help you protect your retirement. Remember, this isn't about hard sell tactics. It's about giving you the tools and knowledge to make informed decisions about your future. You've worked hard for what you have, and you deserve to keep it safe. The free guide and consultation will walk you through everything without any of the pressure. If you have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, it's time to take a look at how a gold IRA could protect your retirement savings for the long run. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide and consultation, and take control of your financial future today. Protect your legacy, secure your retirement, and make sure your hard-earned money is working for you, no matter what 2025 holds.